हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल रेडी स्टडी लर्न। आज का वीडियो इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो है जिसमें मैं आपको ब्लड के बारे में कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट्स बताऊंगी जो शायद आपके एग्ज़ाम्स में भी काम आ सकते हैं और आपके खुद की नॉलेज को भी इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Blood is a body fluid in the circulatory system of humans and other vertebrates that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells. Next, blood is composed of blood cells suspended in blood plasma. Plasma, which constitute 55% of blood fluid, is mostly water, 92% by volume, and contains proteins, glucose, mineral ions, hormones, carbon dioxide. Plasma being the main medium for excretory product transportation and blood cells themselves. The blood cells are mainly red blood cells, also called RBCs or erythrocytes, white blood cells, also called WBCs or leukocytes, and in mammals, platelets, also called thrombocytes. Vertebrate blood is bright red when its hemoglobin is oxygenated and dark red when it is deoxygenated. Blood is circulated around the body through blood vessels by the pumping action of the heart. There are 150 billion red blood cells in 1 ounce of blood. The amount of blood in the human body is 6 to 7% of the total body weight. It is an alkaline solution with a pH of 7.4. Women have half a liter of blood less than men. Next, two types of substances are found in blood plasma and blood. About 60% of the blood is found in the form of plasma and the remaining 40% is in the form of blood. 90% of plasma is water. The red color of blood is due to ferrous ions, which are the color of hemoglobin, a type of protein found in red blood cells. The lifespan of red blood cell is 120 days. आई होप आपको मेरे ये फैक्ट्स अच्छे लगे होंगे और आपकी नॉलेज को इम्प्रूव कर रहे होंगे। तो अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल।